In this video, I will be teaching you how to make this stacked staircase backflow incense burner. This only will work with backflow incense cones. Backflow incense is a little bit different than normal incense sticks. This has a hole that is in the bottom of it, and as it burns down further, the smoke gets more intense and it trails underneath the incense cone. So let's go and grab some materials and get started. These are the materials that you're going to need for this craft. And it's pretty easy to make, and you'd be surprised that you probably have actually most of these materials just sitting around. We're going to start this off with the wooden blocks. These can just be Jenga blocks or from any wood stacking game that you have, and what we're going to do is glue 2 together. After those 2 are glued together, put them to the side, and then glue another 3 together. This is going to be for the next step of the stairs. After those 3 are glued together, which it's going to take a little bit of time, and you should be pressing every single block together as you glue them, go and move on to putting the other 2 that you glued together and putting them onto the top. And then after those are glued down along with also lined up, glue another 4 pieces together. This is going to be for the next step. After those are glued together, put glue onto 3 of them and press the already glued steps down. Work on gluing another set of 4 blocks. After that, go and glue these together, and this is going to be a second platform to go and give your steps more height. Take 5 blocks after that, glue them together, make sure to press it, line it up with your stairs, and then put a little bit of glue down. Center it as best as you can and press everything together. Wipe off any extra glue before it dries as well. Go and take the metal circular protector off of a lighter. I also glued another block onto my steps just to make this a little bit more intense. What you're going to do is now glue this down. Keep in mind, wood glue can heat up a little bit, but you do not want to use this on the upper portion for when you secure down the soda can tab. You want to go and do a little bit of research to see what types of adhesives can actually withstand heat, but I do suggest instead of using adhesive that you actually just solder this in place. For the purpose of this craft, I'm just going to use a little bit of adhesive that is going to work better with heat. But again, soldering is your best bet. Let everything fully dry and then go and light one of your incense cones. It's going to take a little bit of time for this to go and burn down. After it has burned down a little bit and there's no visible flame, go and put it onto your soda tab. Make sure to center it on the tab. You also might want to consider using tweezers instead of just your fingers, because do keep in mind this does get kind of hot. Now as your cone slowly burns down, you're going to see more of the smoke that'll start flowing from the stairs. This is what it'll look like after it's burned down slightly more. You can also consider going and painting all of these steps black or a different color to go and offset the color of smoke. And now you can display this lovely and easy to make piece anywhere in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great one and take care.